At Baby Lock, we've always had a passion to help people create. You get an idea. You want to put it into action and make it great. We feel the same way and design our machines with that feeling in mind. We serve creators of all kinds: quilters, embroiderers, tailors, garment designers. And for every type of sewer, a Baby Lock serger enhances their projects. Our new line of sergers carries on the Baby Lock tradition of professional-level stitching with intuitive design. And threading so easy, you could even call it fun. 52 years ago, we created the very first home serger, and we hold more patents than anyone in the industry. Through that time, we've developed incredible features, exclusive stitches, innovative technology. All of this gives creators the best experience possible. And when you take on a new project with new challenges, we offer online classes, customer support, and industry-leading service to turn those good ideas into the best pieces ever. Baby Lock is all about the love of sewing, and we know you are too. Explore the new line of Baby Lock sergers and take your passion to the next level.